Hello folk, welcome to Street Jam. Today we will compare two 21mm for the Leica M mount from the Cosina company, the Voightlander Ultron f1.8 and the Zeiss 21mm 2.8. And we will start with the sharpness. The Voightlander at f1.8, the center sharpness is very good, but the corner sharp very acceptably soft. At f2.4 we get the corners 50% sharper, and at f2.8 the center is sharp as a tack and the corners are still improving. f3.4 however we get to see a great sharpness all across the image. At f4.8 we see perfect sharpness all across the frame, but at f5.6 we are added with more contrast, and at f8 brings all the details there is and the contrasts racing with the native Leica glass. I had to boost the ISO from the f11 on, so we see a bit brave image here, and at f13 the diffraction started to tune in, so I saw no point on testing any further. Zeiss 21mm VM. At f2.8 it is almost as sharp, the center sharpness and the contrast is not there yet. At f4.8 the image is really coming together except the extreme corners. At f5.6 even the extreme corners get sharper. Contrast kicks in very hard. f11 the image gets a bit soft, sadly, due to the diffraction. At the usage, I will start with the Zeiss. This Zeiss is lighter and more proper for the everyday shooting. As you take off the hood, it feels more compact in the hand compared to the Voightlander. For this lens lacks a bit of contrast. I think it wouldn't be my first choice for the flash photos.
Baksana dayı. Dayı. Adın ne senin dayı? Dayı ne adın? Adın ne adın? Yok mu adın? Eyvallah. Devam et.
Right about here, I changed to the Voightlander for flash photos, and the colors had an immediate pop to them. The Voightlander doesn't have the lens knob, but I modified mine with an aftermarket one, and it works flawlessly now. Well, this footage is an excerpt from my Leica M10 review. If you have seen it, you can pass to the 9th minute and the 30th second for habit shoots on the GFX bodies. In few words, I think Voightlander's image quality is unmatched by any other 21mm I have tried so far. And for focusing, the added large lens tab makes it much more grabbier and easy to find, so it makes a difference. And you don't feel the weight of the lens while focusing, only when shooting single-handed. So I will let you view the images until the GFX. 21mm Ultron on the GFX body. I personally think the GFX, especially the 50R, where this lens shines on, I believe it makes 17mm super wide angle on this bigger sensor, and the thin depth of field makes it really full of character. You can get so close to people and have the buildings behind without breaking the sweat, and focusing is that much easier too. Also, weight in comparison to the native GFX lenses is much lighter. Here I think I covered all I did with this lens. So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like the video if you did, of course, and goodbye.